Okay, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing my Fabfitfun unboxing. And boo, 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 boo. Yeah, they're just maybe another time. Boo, can you play with that later? Hey boo, do you think you could maybe just play with your toy later? Mommy's making a major motion production right now. Hey everyone, I'm here with my trusted companion and BFF, Boo. We are here to tell you about the winter Fabfitfun box. So it could not be a more beautiful box. Like, let's just get that right off the bat. I am a Fabfitfun partner, so I open every single box every season. It is a seasonal box, so it comes out winter, spring, fall, summer, and it's just the joy of my life. I'll just be honest, it's the joy of my life. So before I get into the unboxing and all the great things that are in this box, which I have customized to my liking, and I'm very excited about them. There's some good stuff today. But first I wanna tell you, now when you use my code, because it's the holiday season, the season of giving, when you use my code, you can get a free mini box, and it's worth over $100. So they've never done that before, to my knowledge. So when you sign up for a seasonal membership, which is $49.99 per box, you get a free mini box valued at over $100. So I've gotten one of their mini boxes before and it's really good. So that's very exciting. So if you use my code, that's what you get. So anyway, let's begin opening this and I'll tell you all the great things that are inside of here. So I just want to first show you. I love this. And you can keep this. I mean, this is a cute box. I will probably keep this and use it for like Christmas storage or something. It's too cute. Like, it's too cute. Okay. I love stuff that's just too cute for its own good. Just like me. Too cute for my own good. This is what it looks like immediately when you open up the box. It's humongous. I always have to mention it, but it's like, there's no other subscription box to my knowledge that's like this huge-mongous, which is such a great word when you're talking about gifts to yourself. So as you probably know, oh my God, I've actually been meaning to try this because I see everybody promoting this. Do I actually get like a sample in here? Let's see. So first things first, they put like stuff in here. So they put like HelloFresh and like some coupons and things, but oh my God, you do. You get some packets of this liquid IV, which I've been wanting to try. So it's hydration multiplier, stuff like that. Strawberry, tangerine, lemon, ginger. Oh my gosh. Exciting. And that's just like one of the sample packs. By the way, if this is the first time you're ever watching one of my Fabfitfun unboxings, this box I have 100% customized myself. So all of these things I personally picked. So before you get your box, it'll send you like an email or something and you get to go in and choose, okay, I want this, I want this, I want this. Even if you're not like a full-on annual member, you still get to choose a good majority of your box. So you're always gonna get something that you want. And that's the good news. And that's what kind of diversifies it from other subscription boxes. And it's why it's my favorite. So I picked out every single thing because I'm an annual member. So yahoo, okay? All right, so the first things first, I was like, I have to get these. So these are Isaac Mizrahi. They're really cute. Little, like, you know those little house slippers? You just put them on and you just slide around in them. I have to wear shoes in my house, like at all times, like 100% at all times I have to wear shoes. They have nice little grippers on the bottom too. And these are actually really, really cute too. Like, this is a cute style. So comfort and style, it doesn't get much better. So let me pull out the biggie, okay? I'm ecstatic about this because I've never personally had anything from this brand. This is actually my first time. So this is from the Herschel Supply Company. If you are familiar with it, or if you've probably seen it, because they sell it, I think, at like Urban Outfitters and stuff like that. It's hugely expensive, like hugely, okay? Hugely. So this was like the big ticket item, and it's this really pretty mauve. I think there might have been another color too, but it's this really pretty mauve Herschel tote bag. How cute is this? And for holiday shopping, it does not get any better than this. This is actually humongous. And it's got a really nice zipper also at the top. I just saw this. I'm super excited, like I can't even tell you. So, oh my God. I love it. Oh my God, there's pockets on the inside. You can put like your keys, your wallet or whatever. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. And it's cute. It's just, it's so Urban Outfitters. Like, I just love that. So this is the first thing I got. I'm like for real gonna use this. And what I like too, sometimes tote bags, I've noticed the strap is not long enough to put it over your shoulder. This is perfect. I've been looking for a good tote bag and I just couldn't, I have not been able to find one. This is perfect for shopping. And I like that the top zips so nobody can stick their grubby hands in it and steal your loot. So, your holiday loot. So that's, that right there worth the box. Like 100% worth the box. Like that's something I would buy, you know, by myself anyway. Like I would be drawn to that if I saw that in the store. So I was so excited to get that. Okay. Then the next thing that I got is this premium satin bonnets, and it's actually 2 pieces. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. I thought it was just 1. Oh, I think it's because it's a reversible. No, it's 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got these satin bonnets from Glow by Day, and they're reversible bonnets. So cute. Okay. So you're probably like, what do you use these for? Like, what am I planning on using these for? I like to sleep in these because they're really nice to keep your hair like feeling like healthy. You know what I mean? If I wake up and my hair is legitimately all over the place, like it just, this morning I woke up and it was crunchy on the top of my head, like ew. So anyway, I like to wear these satin bonnets because it keeps your hair protected. It preserves your style overnight. It's great. So I'm excited about these. And these are really big too, because there was another one that I bought and it was not big enough. And then there's a nice little thing that you can adjust it so it doesn't like fall off your head. That was the other problem I had with my other one too. I mean, I still like the other one I have, but these are cute designs too. I know you're not supposed to wear like this. I kind of look French with this. These are cute designs. And okay, here's an idea. Here's a holiday gifting idea. I'm so smart. Everyone's always telling me how smart I am. You could give one to somebody else too. So like, you know, you can give one to your mom, your buddy, whoever, your boyfriend, your husband, whoever needs a bonnet, give them the other one because you probably only need one. Boo, you're on the bag. Boo loves Herschel. I'm on hold right now with West Elm because my camera died. So then I was like, all right, I'll just be productive, I guess, today. Why not? Why not? I'm trying to show you a little bit more of this background, but anyway, okay, let's continue. So by the way, I got my stuff figured out. So my table's been on back order. This is a side note that nobody cares about, but my table has been like, it doesn't want to ship, you know, with, they want to like ship everything together, but I've had 2 side tables, nightstands that have been on back order for 2 months, and they keep moving the time back. So I just canceled those today just so my stuff could be delivered to me because we haven't had a dining room table in 2 months. And obviously, like, I want to have Thanksgiving this year, which I am having it, but it's like I can't do that without a table. So anyway, I just got to figure it out. So yippee. And I have my buddy right here who you can't really see. All right, so let's continue on. So the next thing that I got, I was excited about this, but I did order this back when I was like working out, and now I'm like not. But it's still good. So this is a good time to mention that I like that the variety of Fabfitfun is like, you know, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, like health products. It's just all different things that encompass a life. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a lifestyle box. You know, your life is not one-dimensional. You work out, you eat, you put makeup on, I don't know, random, you cook. It's just, I like that. So anyway, there's something for everybody is basically what I'm trying to say. So I got these really nice like ankle weights from this brand called Corral. So, oh, you want to sit there? Okay, that's fine. So I guess we're just doing that today. So I got these ankle weights from this brand called Corral, and these are like super nice. I got like some really weird ones on Amazon, but these are 1 pound ankle weights, which is a great size, by the way. I ordered 5 pound ones on Amazon, and they were like not only were they falling off my ankle, but they were just way too heavy. So this is a good size. Look how cute. Oh my God, the lavender with the pink, the blush pink, are you kidding me? So these are just super, super cute. I love these. And they come with a nice little like carry bag too. So really cute. I just have to show you this. Like, are you kidding me? Aww, you're so handsome. Everybody loves you. Everybody wanted you in this video and you gave them exactly what they wanted. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my God. This is so therapeutic just to pet a cat. Especially, like here, I was talking about this the other day. Sorry, I keep going on like 17 tangents, but I was talking about this the other day, but I think it was my grandma, because we were talking about like dogs and cats and things like that. And I'm telling you, there is nothing, there are few things better in this life than a well-behaved cat, like a cuddly, sweet cat that like wants to spend time with you. There are few things better in this world than that. Okay, so anyway, back to Fabfitfun. So they need to have cat products in here. Would that be fun? Okay, they need to have matching cat and owner stuff. So then I got this Tula Skincare probiotics and superfoods cult classic purifying face cleanser. So everybody goes crazy over this brand. This is the Tula cleanser. This is first of all humongous, which is great. But this is an Ulta, the Tula brand, and everybody goes crazy over it. Like this has a for sure cult following, and it says it's a cult favorite, refreshing gel-based cleanser powered by superfoods, removes dirt, impurities, and makeup without stripping or over drying. Prebiotics, probiotic, cool. So I will try that. I will try it. I just want to know what the hype is about because I haven't really tried anything from them, but I have seen Tula before in other Fabfitfuns too. So anyway, I think these last two things might have been like stuff that like most everybody gets. Like it's pretty much an option for a lot of people. So I got this hot chocolate bomb maker. Okay, like I said, cooking. We got the whole shebang in here this week, or this whatever. We got fashion, we got skincare, we got cooking, we got workout, and I just love it. And we got like hair. I love it. Okay, so anyway, hot chocolate bomb makes 2 spheres. So you put the chocolate in here, right? And then you make a ball with it. So like these two, you fuse together. I've seen people put like marshmallows and stuff and like cinnamon. I don't know. It looks really cool, but I don't know exactly what I'll do with these. But it's got kind of like a cute little bonbon top to it. So I'll try to get creative with that too. I feel like you could do other stuff like a fudge bomb or I don't know. All right, so anyway, I think this is the final thing. So the final thing I got is this milk frother. And this is like so exciting, and I wish that I had just waited to get this because I bought another one recently. So anyway, it looks like this. This is what everybody uses to make like their frothed milk and stuff like that. And you know what's nice about me now having 2 of these, because I do have one and I bought one because I wanted to do like the froth, like the matcha, whatever, is you can use this for like other stuff. So if you have one that's specifically for like dairy or whatever, you could use this for something else. Like I was thinking about like mixing up my taco seasoning with water, you know how you have to do that, or like mixing up like oil, like something like with oil, or you could make like a dressing with this and mix it up. Like there's so many possibilities with this, and it's just battery powered, I'm pretty sure. To love that. All right, so let me pull it out of here actually. And here's the other thing I could do if I was, you know, nice, which I'm not. I could give this to somebody as a gift since I already have one. But, oh, and it comes with batteries. Very cute with batteries. So this is what it looks like. It's actually cute. It's in a really cute, like kind of forest green color. I should just kind of take it out of the thing. Take it out of the thing. Okay, there it is. So cute, right? Love it. I love it. Okay, well, let me show you. I'll show you one more time. What are you doing? I just dropped the batteries on his head. That's probably why he's... Did I just drop these batteries on your head? Do you ever let your cat just like sniff stuff? Like I'll just go like this. I know, look at that sniffy. Well, anyway, So anyway, that is everything I got in my Fabfitfun box. I would love to know what you guys got. Don't forget, use my code for that mini box. I might even use my own code because I wanna know what's in that mini box, to be honest with you. Because over $100 value, you've gotta be wondering like, what is in the mini box? And getting more stuff is just like, I'm all about more stuff, you know what I'm saying? So if you use my code, it's Kiki10, so use that promo code when you go to purchase the box. And don't forget also, as the holiday season approaches, Fabfitfun is a great gift to give other people. So if you have somebody who's like got everything, just, you know, gift them a subscription to this box. Like, what a good kind of creative idea, especially for somebody where you don't really like know what to get them, or they have like a very full life or something. I don't know, they're a teenager and you're like scared to death. You're like, I don't wanna mess this up. Get them the subscription, let them pick out what they wanna pick out. And like I said, it's so wide ranging of different things like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, so much stuff that there's something in there that they will like. And there's something in there that you will like. So that's all I can say about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will probably be unboxing the next one, which is gonna be spring. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.